Wake up. Hey, say good morning. We haven't done this in like a couple months. What's up, babe? I'm finished loading up and see when we get to the super special private extravaganza day. Whatever you want to call it. Okay, so we finally made it here. It rained a little bit, but it completely dried up already. So let's go drive. Tito!
It's hot.
What?
It's hot.
What?
It's hot!
What?
I don't know.
Okay. My GoPro is finally not acting up anymore. It's extremely hot in this car, and I feel like I'm hangry, so if I'm mad, I'm not mad at you guys. I'm just hangry.
Hi!
Get the hell out of here!
Where is it?
Don't look at me! You get out! No!
Oh my god!
You get the fuck out! Get the fuck out! Get out! Get out! No! He'll get out when we start driving. Come on. All these damn bugs flying in the car. That was aggro AF. Alright, so we got Matt in his new 350Z. He's gonna follow me, and then we're gonna switch and he's gonna lead. So, if I was reading Matt's mind, it would probably be because he wants to see how his car does as a chase car. And it's probably gonna be lit. But, we're about to find out.
The next time. Both sauces.
Oh my god. Last run Marco was chasing me, but then somehow Matt was chasing me, so I don't know what happened, but he caught up to my ass real fast. Alright, we're about to find out how much applesauce I get from Matt's new car. Because even though our power may be like matched, he has a little more low-end torque. So all he needs really is that one second on takeoff. And like that 1 second, like It's like wearing a trash bag.
Oh my god. Alright, well. We're just sitting. Oh god. Okay. And we're off. That's what that was. Woo-wee.
I hope you hit that puddle out front.
That was rowdy.